Hello everyone, today's video is about how to add elements on KingDraw PC. The periodic table area is on the right side of the canvas and is divided into two parts, periodic table and common elements list. Just select the elements in the list to click on the corresponding position of the structure to add. If the element to be added is not in the list, we can click the periodic table to directly enter the window for selection. KingDraw also set up common atom hotkeys for everyone to improve efficiency. Tap the hotkeys on the keyboard and click on the canvas with the mouse to generate the elements. Let's take a closer look at these hotkeys. Lowercase c is carbon, uppercase C is chlorine, lowercase n is nitrogen, uppercase N is sodium, lowercase o is oxygen, lowercase s is sulfur, uppercase S is silicon, lowercase f is fluorine, lowercase p is phosphorus, lowercase I is iodine, lowercase b is bromine, uppercase B is boron, lowercase k is potassium, and lowercase r is R group. The current system setting will automatically balance the hydrogen atoms when adding elements. If this is not what we want, we can use the text tool to click on the element and modify it. The modified content usually has a red box prompt because the system auto-recognizes text in the structure as an error. The red box will not be displayed after the file is exported. If you don't need the chemical warning, on the top toolbar, click Options, Show Chemical Warnings, Close to turn off. When the marquee tool is selected, then you hover the mouse over an existing element. Click Hotkey of the corresponding element to quickly replace it. Let's take a look at the common operations related to elements. The elements displayed in the common list are customized. Click to open the periodic table. The stored elements are currently set to displayed in the list. If you need to add a new common element, just right-click on the elements in periodic table window. The element will be marked as favorite and will appear in the common elements list. Tip is also prompted below the periodic table. If you want to take an element away from common list, you also need to open the periodic table, then right-click on the stored element. The star will disappear and the element will also be deleted from the common list. The color of the element can also be modified. After selecting the element with the marquee tool, click the color tool and select the desired color to modify it. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave us a message. Until next time.